My arm's wet. Oh God, we need to turn. Yeah, we need to turn. That's it. Oh God, we're going straight into that. Stop paddling, stop paddling. Megan, I'm going to go into that boat. I'm not very fast.
I see already that everybody's absolutely fine on steering. On forward, sorry. Be happy with that. Can you see that madam rocking around we've got? It'll never get any worse than that. That'll be just all the way around. I just want to show you something about steering, which is really, really useful.